Sampalaman Mary oli sabe tokosem pop Konstantin emi sabe senisim de bilong lotu longot. Oli tokosem long time oli apostoli stapol number one line Christian stapol sabe lotu longot long SABAT sarere. Na dispala fashion go na long pop Konstantin I kam long ja 300 something na emi yeti senisim de bilong lotu. Emi rausim SABAT sarere na emi kirapim nupala fashion emi fashion bilong lotu longot long pampala haitende emi SANDE. Na dispala kain to kisabe go kam na sampala man meri kisim bel heavy true long kain to concept. Tesol dispala kain to emi not talk true. No got one pala Pope and we got name Constantine. You can check him all, name belong called Pope. You can start long Peter, number one Pope. Na finish him long Benedict 16, last Pope. If I look him, no got one pala name belong Pope and we Constantine. No got true. Long year 300 something and we got one pala King Haiten, long Rome Haiten. Na name belong this pala king emi Constantine. Caesar, Constantine. Now this pala Haiten king emi sabe behind him fashion belong all king Haiten stab before long kem na emi walk long bagarap him kill him all Christian man Mary. This all time he come up emi senisim fashion belong kem na emi larem all Christian he come free na lotu free long Jesus. Something also me come up time Constantine I win in big pala fight one time all birwa belong kem. Na king Constantine emi think emi believe for some Christ God belong all Christian I help him long win him this pala fight. Also now Constantine I larem all Christian I lose him PLES height na I worship free long Jesus. Na mi sabe all Christian isabe lotu long Jesus long SANDE number one day belong quick. Asemna kon King Constantine I like amamasim all Christian na mi make him low long side belong government belong support him this pala fashion all Christian I sabe make him. And we write one pala pass one pala document long side belong government na mi talk SANDE emi de belong Tambu long walk. We can read him this pala pass long talk pigeon emi go wasem. Long good pala de belong SANDE. All big man na all man marry nothing. All stop long all big town. All mas malolo. No all mas passim all getas tua. That's all long all PLES. All man marry sabe walk long all garden, alright, all enough long make him walk also. All enough long make him walk yet. Look him, empty soul talk belong Constantine, King Constantine. No got one pala half belong this pala pass, he talk King senisim there belong lotu. No got true. We talk again, and we support him this pala fashion, and we look him all Christian behind him. Then we look him all Christian lotu long God long SANDE number one day belong quick. Name support him this pala fashion long side belong government belong him. Suppose you look long called tumbuna belong called Christian all behind him all apostle yet. Mean by look him. Mean by sabe. All number one line Christian I lotu long God long SANDE number one day belong quick. You got one pala pass name belong him didak. And I mean school belong 12 pala apostle. Only been writing this pala pass long kia 70 AD. Yeah, belong Christ. Now this pala pass me to consum. All get a time long day belong big pala, they belong Lord. Mi pala I bunk one time na I broke him bread na I thank you long God. Mi pala I make him more same. Tas all past time mi pala I mas out him sin belong mi pala by offer belong mi pala I stop clean. Osem all number one line Christian, only all follow Jesus, only making misa, broken bread, long number one day, belong week, long Sunday. Ikat ara pala big man tu istap na belong kem Santo Justin, emi dailong kya 165. Emi osem stop close to long time, John Apostle stop. John Apostle emi dailong kya 100 something. Na Santo Justin, i write in pastor sim. Long Sunday, mi pala olgeta i bunk one time. Long panem, emi number one day belong quick. Na long this pala day, God i bin senisim to dark, na something belong ground. Long number one day belong quick. Jesus i bin kirap long kiday, na i come up live. Asem, em fashion belong call number one line Christian, i bin behind him. Only lot to long God long Sunday. Number one day belong quick. This pala day, Sunday, emi kama big pala day long time belong call apostle yet. Emi day belong lot to long Jesus. Now this pala fashion is stop inside long church in up long 2000 year now. Creation Sabbath. Some pala man Mary or Sabbath of course go to walk in Molkata something long 6 pala day, na long day number 7, go to me malolo. Or some na ami mini kosem all get a man Mary mas malolo long day number 7, long Saturday, long Sabbath. This pala have belong Bible. I talk go to walk in Molkata something long 6 pala day, na malolo long day number 7. Let me stop long book start. Chapter 1, verse 1, going up long chapter 2, verse 3. We can read him this pala Habulong Bible chapter 2 verse 3 and we talk long got him malolo long the number 7. Bible ito kosim. Na got itambo im the number 7 na mi talk also the number 7 belong all get a week and mi big pala de belong yet. Lo panem and mi walk mi finish all get a something na long this pala de emi malolo. Okay, nagatwan pala to bolong got yosim. Olgeta manu Mary mas malolo long the number 7. Nagatru. Got ino to kosim. Suppose you may look long Adam, na Eve, na Abraham, na Isaac, na Jacob, na Joseph. Look him, all this pala line man Mary, all no lot to long got long Sabbath, Saturday. Nagatun pala haba long Bible itok only lot to long Sabbath. Nagatru. You look Sabbath, Saturday, emi no belong all get a man Mary long behind him nagat. This pala law he come up strong time Moses, he KISIM all Israel, no he lose him Egypt, na he come long mountain Sinai. Now long mountain Sinai, God you walk him contract one time all Israel. Na he talk him all Israel. Long behind him Sabbath, long malolo, long day number 7. Law got to give him long called Israel. Sinai Sabbath. Time all man Mary come close to long mountain Sinai. Got to walk him contract one time all Israel. Namel man emi Moses. Moses ikisem nis pala talk belong God. Na yaw timulong all man Mary belong Israel. This pala talk stop long KISIM back chapter 20 verse 8. Emi to korsim. You pala mas think him good des Sabbath na makim orsem de belong me yet. You pala got 6 pala de belong make him walk inside long pan pala week. So de number 7 emi belong me God big pala belong you pala. Osem sa pala man Mary sabi to osem look him emi lo belong God. God to talk de number 7 emi de belong big pala. Osem na pala I mas lo tulong God long Saturday Sabbath. So suppose you may look long number 1 verse number 1 long this pala chapter 20 by me redeem to korsim. God to korsim mi yet mi big pala mi God belong you pala. Mi ben KISIM you pala long Egypt. This pala PLES belong walk calabus na mi bring him you pala ikam. Look him God, he make him talk, he go along all man, Mary belong Israel. Na God he talk him all man, Mary belong Israel, long, malolo, long Sabbath. Long, malolo, long the number 7. Suppose you may look long chapter 31 on this pala book, verse 16, 17, and by more clear long this pala. You may can read him. You pala Israel, read him again. You pala Israel, imas malolo long this pala de long panim. And one pala contract is stop all time. You pala I been promised long behind him. This pala de mi also magbulong contract na melong mi na you pala Israel. Na bayim stop all time. Look one him. Mi big pala, mi been walking ground na sky long 6 pala de. Tas all long the number 7. Mi will lose him or get a walk na mi malala. Asem got it clear. Sabbath, Saturday, and magbulong contract got you walk one time Israel. Na all Israel imas behind him. Tasol ko sem all man Mary belong Israel. All less long behind him talk na lo belong God. All behind think belong Koreat, like belong Koreat. Asem na God he talk emi less long this pala Sabbath belong call Israel. You may can look him this pala something is stop long Isaiah chapter 1 verse 13. Got it call sim. You pala ino can hard work nothing na bring him all off along me. Lopanim me less finish long all off belong you pala. Na smell belong power you pala isabe cooking. And me come up him smell no good as so long nus belong me. Me no like looking moa, all loto belong no pala moon, na belong de Sabbath, na all are pala loto you pala isabe make him. Look when him sin belong you pala, we bagarap him all get a loto long you pala. Got it up, me no like looking loto long Sabbath belong you pala. Me less. Long book belong God pala testament. Jose, chapter 2, verse 11, God he make him strong pala talk more yet. And me talk sim. By me finish him all get a big pala de, and me save amamas long ken. All this pala de your sim. All big pala de belong lotu, isabe come up long call 1 year, no long call 1 moon. Now all lotu belong de Sabbath. Now I'll get a are pala loto. Got it up. Me by finish him loto long Sabbath. By no got more loto long Sabbath. Awesome na got like working contract. One time all Israel tas all got like working contract. One time all get a man married. No pala contract. Got like working. No pala contract. This pala contract by stampan tem all get a man married. But the all man married belong Papua New Guinea too. All get a man married by going south on this pala contract. Got it long cam. Na mi maki man pala workman belong cam, long cam by make him no pala contract. This pala ha belong Bible you can find him, you can read him. Isaiah 42. Verse 1 and going up long 7. We can make him verse 6. Me big pala yet. Me bin sing out him you long show him straight pala fashion belong me. By me somebody long you. Now was good long you. Long you tas all by me make him contract one time all get a man marry belong ground. As I'm true. God, he walk him this pala contract finish. Long time Jesus Christ, and me die long the white cross. Time me capsite him blood belong cam. Jesus, and me come up no pala namel man. Namel long God, na long call geta man Mary. Jesus and me come up namel man belong no pala contract. You make a look long this pala something long book belong Hebrew, chapter 9 verse 15. And me to call him. Blood belong Jesus, I make him yumi, I come up clean, true long, I belong God. Osem na Jesus is tap namel man belong strong him, nupela contract. Jesus Christ, long blood belong him, and we walk him nupela contract. You can read in this pala talk, one kind talk, is tap long number 1 pass belong Paul. We go long Corinth, chapter 11, verse 25. And we talk him. Na time ole kai finish, and we kiss him cup wide. Na I make one kind fashion long can. And we talk him. This pala cup wide, and we no pala contract, me make him long blood belong me yet. Christ, I walk him no pala contract, long blood belong him. You make can look again long kind talk him is long Matthew chapter 26, verse 27. I going up long 28. And we talk him. Na mi kisi wan pala kapwai, na I thank you long God, na I give you long call, na I talk, you pala all get a drink long this pala. This pala emi blood belong me, belong walking contract. Jesus yet, emi die long the white cross, and mountain Calvary, na emi walking finished, no pala contract, long blood belong him. Also na Bible ito, we got two pala contract. One pala contract got you walking, one time all Israel long mountain Sinai, and number 2 contract, go to walk you one time all get a man very long mountain Calvary. Christ and me stop namel man. Namel long this pala contract. Na I got one pala ask him now, also one I think by 2 pala contract is ta? Belong back on this pala ask him. You can look long Bible. Long passage go long Hebrew chapter 7 verse 22. And we talk him. Also now you may have this pala contract Jesus he been making. And a good pala moa na I win him contract belong before. Jesus he win him contract long mountain Calvary. And a win him contract go to walk you one time all Israel long mountain Sinai. You make a look too long this pala pass yet. Pass go long on Hebrew chapter 8 verse 7 na 13. Kotito kolsem. Tingim suppose number 1 contract I good pala all geta, alright, God by no enough make him no pala contract. That's all. God I come up him wrong belong all man marry, namito korsem, na you can read him. Or this pala talk na mi last verse 13, ito korsem. Long this pala talk, God I talk long no pala contract. Na long this pala fashion, and I show him also number 1 contract, I come up old pala finish. Na samtek I come up old pala. Na mi like finish. And by stop leak time tas all, na by lose all geta. Also old pala contract, go to walk you want them all, man meri belong Israel, the mountain Sinai, and me lapun, and me finish. Na mat belong this pala contract, all Israel must behind him, and me SABAT sarere, the number 7, and me expired finish, and me come up mark nothing. Also now I got one pala talk picture or story. Suppose one pala driver is stop, and me have a driving car belong him. The driver me got driving license. Suppose this pala driver me come up lapun, na me die, no li plani mem. Na license belong him me stop or put in table. I think license belong him me got strong, no got. And me 2 expired finish, no got work long him. No good some pala man, I kiss him this pala expired license, na me find trouble. I say, I'm story that's all Bible talk. Old pala contract and come up lapun and finish. Na mag belong him SABAT sarere and me expired finish. You mean I can behind him. Suppose you may look long Bible on Galatians chapter 4 verse 22. You going up long 31. And we talk long Abraham he got 2 pala Mary. Mary free, or Mary through belong Abraham, and me Sarah, na one pala slave Mary, emi Hega. Na politok, Santo politok, tu pala Mary makim tu pala contract. Hega i makim contract, goti woki wantemol, man Mary belong Israel, long mountain Sinai. Hega, slave Mary makim number one contract, long mountain Sinai. Na goti talk, long verse 30. Emi to korsem. Rausim dispala walk Mary, one time pikinini belong ken. Pikinini belong walk Mary, emi no ken KISIM, all have something belong, Papa belong. Papa one time pikinini belong, Mary is that free. Asem politok, dispala walk Mary, slave Mary, Hega, imakim old pala contract, kotitok, rausimem. Asem old pala contract i finish, asem mak belong old pala contract, SABAT, Sarere, the number 7, emi to finish. No got need long behind him, no got walk long behind him, emi expired finish. Asem na all apostle come up, walkman belong no pala contract. Asem Bible talk, you can find him this pala, happy stop long number 2 Corinthians chapter 3 verse 6. Emi to korsem. Na emi eti bin meki mi pala inapelong stap walkman belong no pala contract. Santo Paul, no apostle, all stap walkman belong no pala contract. Now sem long this pala no pala contract, Christ walk him the mountain Calvary. Sabbath emi come up, picture nothing, mark nothing, no got walk long him. You can read him this pala talk stap long pass belong Santo Paul, you go long Colossians chapter 2 verse 16-17. Emi to korsem. Hosem na yu pala ino ken larim wan pala mani shoot him talk long yu pala. Na talk yu pala ino behind him all lo belong kai na drink. Na lo belong all big pala day belong lotu. Na belong all lotu belong no pala moon. Na belong de Sabbath. This pala all something you also picture nothing. Belong all something you like come up behind. That's all Christ and is something true. As a more walkman stop long no pala contract. All in behind me Sabbath moa. And finished. And come up picture nothing. All walkman belong no pala contract. Is have behind him lotu long God long number 1 day. Day Christ and kirap long kidai. Long SANDE. Masem na long walk Apostle chapter 20 verse 7. You can read Mosem long number 1 day belong quick. Mi pala ikam belong brukim bread. Belong wakim misa. Number 1 day belong quick. SANDE. And mi come up day true belong loto ingot. No pala creation. Christ walking no pala creation. Man Mary pass long Christ. Only come up no pala creation. Christ he come long walking something no pala. You can read in this pala talk stop long book belong Revelation chapter 21 verse 5. Emi to korsem. Now this pala man is in daw long siya king. Emi to korsem harim. Me make him all get something. He come up no pala. No pala. As Santo Paul, he talk long number 2 pass belong him, he go long Corinth, chapter 5, verse 17, and we talk long nupala creation, and we talk him. Hosem na suppose one pala money pass one time Christ, alright? God I make him come up no pala man true. Long talk Greek Santo Paul been writing all pass belong em to kosem keine ktisis and got meaning no pala creation. Hosem all man Mary pass one time Christ while he come up no pala creation. Hosem na long first creation God I walk him all get a something long 6 pala day. Na the number 7 and the belong big pala, they belong marolo, or some one kind. long nu pala creation. All Christian man Mary I pas pantem Christ long baptized. All come up nu pala creation. I got nu pala de belong worshiping God. And de belong nu pala creation. Now this pala de emi SANDE. Time Jesus I kirap long kiday. And de belong big pala. Time Jesus I come up live. Howsem nabit again all of ourselves workman belong nu pala contract. All is have lot long Jesus long SANDE. Number 1 de belong quick. Me read him again. Work Apostle chapter 20 verse 7. Now me talk long number 1 de belong quick. Long SANDE. Me pala all Christian in buong long broken bread. Long broken bread. Walking misa. Asem this pala de belong lot to long God. De true belong all Christian. Emi SANDE. Emi de Christ. Emi kirap long kiday. Emi de belong nu pala creation.